Welcome students to your science class. Today we are going to start the chapter Fiber to Fabric. The last upload you have seen different types of cloth and cloth materials. That is the different types of dresses, and this dress is made up of some materials. Actually the dresses which we wear or the clothes which we wear, these are made up of fibers. From the fibers we make the dress material, what we say the fabric, and this fabric which we turn into the dress material. So first we will discuss about the fiber. It may be, so from where do we get this fiber? We can get it from the plants or animals, or synthetically, that is from the chemicals also we can make this. So fibers are of two types, natural and synthetic. Natural, that we get from the plants or from the animals. From the plants we get cotton, jute, flax. These are the plants which give us the fiber. And animals, wool, from sheep, goat, even in cases of camel or rabbit also we can get this wool. And silk, from the silkworm which we get different types of silk. Other, that is fiber, synthetic fiber. Synthetic, that is man-made, which can be made of chemicals. Examples of this: polyester, nylon, acrylic. These are the examples of synthetic fiber. So first, that is the types of fiber. Types of fiber: natural, obtained from plants or animals. Example: from plants, cotton, jute, flax, these are we get. And from animals we get wool or silk. Synthetic fiber, obtained or made from chemical substances. Example: polyester, nylon, acrylic. So two types of fibers, natural and synthetic, and examples of this. Next, here you see fiber to fabric. So two terms you get. One is fiber and the other is fabric. Fiber, what is fiber? A fiber is a thin thread of natural or artificial substance, specially which is used to make fabrics. So a fiber is a thin thread of natural or artificial substance, specially which is used to make fabrics. So fiber, it is a thread like structure. So this type of thread or strands, these are the fiber, and this fiber we use to make the fabric. Fabric, that is the dress material. Say about it is silk, or it may be cotton, or it may be nylon. So whatever, so that is, this is fiber. It may naturally we may get this, or synthetically it may be made. So from this fiber we get this fabric. So how do we get this fiber? The natural one I am telling about. Fiber, first the fiber we get it from the plant or the animal. So fiber, say about, for example, if I take cotton. So cotton, from the cotton plant, cotton, the fruits of the cotton plant which yields the fiber. So first we take the fruits of the cotton plant, and from there we get the a process is there, that is called ginning. We will be again discussing about this. By the process we get this fiber, and the fiber, when we get this, we spin it. Spinning, that is twisting of that fiber. Now the spinning, that process gives us the yarn. So first we get fiber, then we get yarn. Yarn, the thread what we get. So from fiber we get the yarn, and from the yarn, two processes here, weaving or knitting. These two processes which make the fabric. So fiber, these thin strands, and fabric, this dress material. And this fabric we turn into dresses. These are the dresses, various types of dresses. So dress material, we just, it may be bought ready-made, or we can give the measurement and it can be made accordingly. So fiber to fabric. So few terms what you have got. Let us see what are this. First, fiber. A fiber is a thin thread of a natural or artificial substance. It may be naturally obtained or it may be artificially obtained. So it is a thin thread. What is fiber? It is a thin thread of a natural or artificial substance, specially which is used to make fabric. So why do we use this? What is the use of fiber? We are making the fabrics. Yarns. Another term you get, yarns. Yarns are made of thin strands called fiber. So from the fiber we get the yarn. From the fiber we get the yarn. Next, fabrics. Fabrics are produced by weaving or knitting yarns. So by weaving or knitting this yarn, that is the thread, by weaving or knitting we get the yarns. So first we read about the varieties of clothes or dresses and the varieties of cloth materials. The other day we read about this. Here just I would like to mention two of the uploads where I have written food varieties. There one I is missing. Here I have written again the spelling. So make this correction. One I is missing. Find out where the I will be placed. Okay. So today what we have learned: fiber, two types of fiber: natural, synthetic. Natural we get from the plants or from animals, and synthetic, examples polyester, nylon, acrylic, which we made these are made up of some chemicals. And we read about few of the terms, that is fiber, yarn and fabrics. Thank you, children.